Hello, my name is Jonathan Beard, and this is my uh, presentation about uh, the Knockout framework for JavaScript. Um, Knockout is a very powerful web framework. It allows you to do pretty much everything Angular does, but it's a lot more simple. It has declarative bindings instead of using modules and everything. You use this little data bind keyword on whatever you want to bind. And it's just so simple. That's that's really what I like about it is they basically use the KISS method. It's something that I learned about when I was in elementary school in English class. Keep it simple, stupid. And they've done a very good uh, they've done very well about keeping our end of things very simple. Let me show you my example program that I put together. Here's brackets. Open up Chrome. Here we go. It's a very simple name tracking program. As you put in your name, I use, for example, Jack Daniels, Jose Cuervo, and as you see, it changed automatically. I didn't have to put anything else in. And if you look at the code here, this is the HTML. All we have here is a simple data bind tying the value of the first name that's in my application here. You use KO for knockout and observable to let it know that it's looking at this dot first name. And it's in a variable view model for the function, which is it's got the passing in the first and last names. Now, the first name is an observable for first. Now, it's called observable because it's actually looking for this text field. It's watching it to see if anything's changing. Now, this dot last name, ko dot observable, again, it is looking at the last name text field to see that anything changes. If something changes, it'll update. Now, this ko dot computed, it's adding them together. It's taking the first name and last name and adding them together in this function right here. Return this dot first name, which is taking first name here and rendering it as a function so that it can add it with this dot last name, which is again rendering it as a function, and putting them together through ko.computed, so it can output it as in this case Jose Cuervo. Now, what makes all this work is right here, ko.apply bindings. That's where in the index over here we have data bind. That's the whole thing that makes it work. Data bind and apply bindings. And that's all there is to KO, to knockout. It is just so incredibly simple yet powerful. You can do anything that Angular does, but it's just so so much simplified that it's not even funny. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Another thing I love about Knockout is it does templating. It automatically refreshes anything you put into it. It has dependency tracking. Anything that it depends on it's in there. Let's see here. They have tutorials to teach you how to use it. It'll show you everything that you need to do right here. See, let's see here. Strong data bind text. Bind equals. Now, if you hit run right here, you can see it's working right there. And it's just so simple how to do this. And that's my presentation on Knockout, on the Knockout web framework. Oh, one more thing is this works seamlessly across all major and even most older browsers, all the way back to Firefox 2 and Internet Explorer 6, I believe. So yeah, you have old sites you need some functionality on. This will do it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.